My name is Jennifer, and I'm the Sauce Goddess. And today we're going to be making one of my favorite appetizers, bacon-wrapped scallops with my sticky sweet grill glaze. It's a barbecue sauce with no smoke. I've got a nice jumbo scallop here that I'm going to wrap in partially cooked bacon. So I baked the bacon in the oven to get it partially cooked so that it will cook on the grill in the same amount of time as the scallop will. I've wrapped it. I'm putting it on skewers, 2 little skewers. And that's the last one. Now I'm ready to go. In here I have just a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to put that on here so these don't stick on the grill. I'm just going to actually use my hand and pat just a little bit on each one, because I don't really want to flood my cutting board with olive oil. You can just see that's just the ever so light little coating of olive oil. Then these go on the grill, olive oil side down. I did soak these skewers for about a half an hour in water so they won't burn on the grill. I've poured a little bit of the sticky sweet glaze into this bowl over here, and I'm going to go ahead and baste each of the scallops with a little sticky sweet glaze, and then they'll be ready to flip. Make sure you get enough on the bacon too, because we want the bacon to be sticky sweet also. And I also am paying attention to whether I'm smelling a little bit of sugar cooking, because that means that it's actually getting onto the edge of the bacon and dripping off just a little bit, which is not a bad thing. I'm going to close the grill and let these cook for like 2 minutes. That's it. Okay, so I'm checking these periodically, each individual set, to make sure they get flipped at the right time. You don't want to overcook scallops. Let's take a peek at these and see how they're doing. Well, we're getting there, but I'm not seeing any like little char marks. I'd like to see just a little more char on there. Tiny bit. These are scallops. They're tender. We don't want to overcook them. That's got char. This one's ready to flip. It's ready to be flipped because it's got this little char, and I can see it's starting to turn a little opaque, which means it's cooking. It's firming up a little. Let's check the other ones. Yep, that looks good. That looks ready, almost. We'll go ahead and flip these, baste them, and then we can always flip them another time. Can't have too much sauce, right? All right. Close the lid. And now we wait some more. All right, let's check and see how they're doing. Ooh, that one is almost done. I'm going to put that over here where the heat's just a little bit lower. And then we'll move these around a little bit, let everybody get all charred up. Wow, it smells awesome. Wonderful. Another couple minutes, should be done. So I'm just kind of poking at the scallops just to make sure I can feel that they're just slightly firming up. I don't want them to be rock hard, but I also don't want them to be raw. This brown sugar sherry barbecue sauce with the sweetness of the scallops and the saltiness of the bacon is absolutely delicious. And since I flipped all of these, they need more sauce. I don't want scallops to be overdone. They're tough and they're chewy. These look great. Perfect. And now we're ready for our party. I'm just going to take this groovy little removable cutting board from my Minden grill. Look at those gorgeous bacon-wrapped sticky sweet scallops. My guests are going to love them.